Assalamualaikum. General Mathematics by Class 9th. Exercise 1.4. Question number 3. Emil got 12 out of 30 marks in his weekly test. His teacher advised him to work hard and gave him a target of securing 70% marks in his next test. In what ratio should he improve his marks to achieve the target? Here we have to find the ratio. In what ratio? Got marks. Solution. "12 out of 30. It means 12 divided by 30. We simplify this by using table of 3. 4 3s are 12 and 3 tens are 30. Finding percentage. Finding percentage. 4 divided by 12 multiplied by 10 divided by 10. We want to find here 100. So we multiply 4 by 10 and got 40 divided by 100. This is equal to 40%. Next we have to find required ratio. We have target marks 70%. Required ratio is equal to 70 ratio 40. We divide this ratio by 10 and get divided by 10. 70 divided by 10 and 40 divided by 10. We cancel 0 on both sides, up and down. We get 7 ratio 4. This is our answer.